Hi, welcome back to Yummy with Mummy. Today we're going to be showing you how to make beef Seekh Kebab. So what you can see here is regular minced meat with fat, and we have about 2 pounds of it here in this bowl. And we're going to be adding some ingredients to mix our minced meat with. So let's get started and show you what we're going to be adding. So to start off with, we will add a teaspoon of salt, followed by a teaspoon of red chilies. Add in 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of ginger paste, which is simply ginger blended in water. So just half a teaspoon of dana jeera, and a teaspoon of garlic paste, which is garlic blended in water. So once we've added in all of our ingredients, we want to make sure everything is mixed in properly, so we'll show you that now. So just use your hands, get in there and mix everything up just like we're doing, so that all of the spices and all of the ingredients coats the meat thoroughly well. And you want to take a couple minutes to do this. So now that we have marinated this minced meat mixture, we'll show you what you need to do. So we're forming these small little balls, as you can see here, and you form the balls and place them in a big tray as we have here. So once we have a couple of those formed, we'll be placing them on the metal skewer as you see here, and just working them, molding them to form a kebab shape, as we are doing here. And once you've finished one skewer, you can move on to the next. So we'll show you what all of this looks like when it's complete and ready. And the next step will be to put these on the barbecue and grill them. So as you can see here, we have all of the Seekh, or a few of the Seekh Kebab here on skewers, barbecuing on the grill. And one thing you just need to be careful of is to not leave it too long in one position, so that if you do, it might fall into the grill. So you want to make sure every so often you're turning the skewer so the minced meat properly sticks on. So as you can see, to this side we have some that are ready and cooked, and these ones can now be served. So we'll show you what the whole batch looks like once they're all complete. So we just finished barbecuing all of these kebabs, as you can see, and now it's ready to eat. So try this recipe out and let us know what you think by leaving a comment down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, like. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.